Morning, everybody. Today's topic is testicular tumor. Testicular tumor are rare. 1 to 2% of the 1 to 2% of the all malignant tumors. Testicular tumor is most common malignancy in men in the age of 15 to 35 years. Benign lesion present a greater percentage of cases in children than in adults. Most curable solid neoplasm. Age have 3 peaks: 2 to 4 years, 20 to 40 years, and above 60 years. Testicular cancer is one of the few neoplasms associated with accurate serum markers. Most curable solid neoplasm and serve as a paradigm for the multimodal treatment of the malignancies. Causes of testicular tumor. Testicular tumor is cryptorchidism, Klinefelter syndrome, testicular atrophy, trauma, sex hormone fluctuation, estrogen administration during the pregnancy, race, carcinoma and previous testicular cancer. Risk of carcinoma developing in undescended testes is 14 to 48 times the normal expected incidence. Classification of testicular tumor. Primary neoplasm of testes will include germ cell and non-germ cell tumor, secondary neoplasm and paratesticular tumor. First is germ cell tumor includes seminoma, embryonal carcinoma, teratoma, choriocarcinoma and yolk sac tumor. Seminoma, which is 40% cases, the type of classical typical seminoma, anaplastic seminoma, spermatocytic seminoma. And teratoma, which is 25 to 30%, it is immature or mature teratoma. Non-germ cell tumor include specialized gonadal stromal tumor, which include leading cell and Sertoli cell tumor. Second is gonadoblastoma. Third is miscellaneous, which include carcinoma tumor and tumor of ovarian epithelial subtype. First is the seminoma. Seminoma is the commonest variety of the testicular tumor. Adults are the usual target. It is never seen in infant. Right testis involve more than the left. Start in the mediastinum, compresses the surrounding structure. Patient present with painless testicular mass. 30% have metastasis as presentation, but only 3% have symptoms related to metastasis. This is the cut surface of the seminoma, which is potato appearance. The embryonal carcinoma is 25 to 35 years. 3 to 6% of the testicular tumors. A small rounded irregular mass invading tunica vaginalis. Cut surface show grayish white fleshy area of necrosis and hemorrhage seen and poorly defined capsule. And choriocarcinoma. Choriocarcinoma is rare and aggressive tumor. 5-year survival rate is only 5%. Typically elevated beta HCG level, presented with a disseminated disease. It is metastatic to lung and the brain. Primarily, choriocarcinoma is very small and often exhibit no testicular enlargement. Small palpable nodule may be present. It is prone to hemorrhage, sometimes spontaneous like lung in brain. Teratoma. Teratoma in children is 38% benign. Adult in 3% is metastatic potential. Increased alpha fetoprotein level is seen in more than 20%, 25% cases. It is metastasis resistant both chemo and radiation. It can be immature teratoma, mature teratoma, malignant teratoma. Immature teratoma is undifferentiated primitive tissue, but mature teratoma is differentiated element from 2 or more embryonal germ cell layer. It have ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, all three. Malignant teratoma is malignant changes. Teratoma is more than one germ cell layer in various stages of maturation and differentiation. It is large, lobulated and non-homogeneous. Cut surface show variably sized, gelatinous, mucinous, hyalinized material, interspersed solid island like cartilage, bone, pancreatic, liver, intestinal, muscle, neural and connective tissue. This is the immature or mature teratoma gross appearance. Immature teratoma show area of fibrosis and hemorrhage. Then yolk sac tumor is most common. Infant in children, adult in combination, increased alpha fetoprotein level. Pure form of yolk sac is homogeneous, yellowish and mucinous. Histologies or embryonal bodies resemble 1 to 2 week old embryo. Next is non-germ cell tumor, which includes sex cholestromal tumor like leading cell, Sertoli cell. Mixed germ cell and stromal include gonadoblastoma. Miscellaneous primary non-germinal epidermoid cyst, adenocarcinoma of ratty testis, and adrenal rest tumors. Secondary tumors of the testis include lymphoma, which is most common secondary tumor, most common testicular tumor in patients above 50 years, and its most common variety in histiocytic. Next is leukemic infiltration of the testis. Primary site of relapse after ALL remission occur mainly in the interstitial space. Biopsy for diagnosis, no orchidectomy, testicular irradiation for treatment. Next is a metastatic testis, rare cases reported. Clinical features of the testicular tumor includes painless swelling of one testis, dullac or heaviness in the lower abdomen. 10% cases have acute scrotal pain. 10% cases present with metastasis in neck mass, cough, anorexia, vomiting, back pain, lower limb swelling. 5% cases have gynecomastia and rarely infertility. On physical examination, contralateral normal testis is seen. Firm to hard fixed area within the tunica albuginea is suspicious. Seminoma expand within the testis as a painless rubbery enlargement. Embryonal carcinoma or teratocarcinoma may produce an irregular rather than discrete mass. Next investigation, scrotal USG. USG of the scrotum is a rapid, reliable technique to exclude hydrostyle or epididymis. USG of the scrotum is basically an extension of the physical examination. Hypoechoic area within the tunica albuginea is markedly suspicious for testicular cancer. Then next is tumor marker. The tumor marker, which is alpha fetoprotein, and SCG, which is oncofetal substance, and LDH, which is cellular enzyme. Role of tumor marker help in diagnosis. 80 to 85% testicular tumor have positive markers. Most of the non-seminoma have raised markers. Only 10 to 15% of non-seminoma have normal marker level. After orchidectomy, if marker elevated, it means residual disease of stage 2 or stage 3 is present. Elevation of marker after lymphadenectomy means a stage 3 disease. Next investigation, diagnostic radiology include chest X-ray, posterior anterior lateral view, CT scan of the abdomen and pelvis, CT scan of chest for non-seminoma stage 2 seminoma, and ultrasound of contralateral testis. Then TNM staging of the testicular tumor. TX primary tumor cannot be assessed. T0 no evidence on any primary tumor. TIS intratubular germ cell neoplasm means carcinoma in situ. T1 means tumor limited to the testis and epidermis with no vascular and lymphatic invasion. T2 is limited to testis and epidermis with vascular and lymphatic invasion. T3 tumor invade to the spermatid cord with or without vascular lymphatic invasion. T4 tumor invade the scrotum with or without vascular lymphatic invasion. Then regional lymph node, can be clinical and pathological. In clinical, NX regional lymph node cannot be assessed. N0 no evidence of regional lymph node metastasis. N1 lymph node mass 2 cm or less than 2 cm in greatest dimension. N2 it is 2 to 5 cm in dimension, and N3 is more than 5 cm greater dimension. Pathologically, regional lymph node N1 is lymph node mass 2 cm or less in greater dimension and less than 6 node positive, but none more than 2 cm in greater dimension. N2 is more than 2 cm but not more than 5 cm greater dimension, more than 5 node positive node. None more than 5 cm evidence of extranodal extension of tumor. N3 is lymph node mass more than 5 cm greater diameter. Distant metastasis. M1 non-regional nodal or pulmonary metastasis. M2 non-pulmonary visceral metastasis. In serial tumor marker, which is alpha protein, beta HCG, and LDH. It is S0, S1, S2, and S3. Then TNM staging. Stage 0, N0, M0, S0. Stage 1, T1 to T4. No nodal involvement N0, no distant metastasis M0 and SX. Stage 1 is further divided in first A, first B, and first S. First is T1N0M0, first B is T2N0M0 or T3N0M0 or T4N0M0 और फर्स्ट एस मतलब एनी टी N0M0 S1 to S3. स्टेज सेकंड इज एनी टी एनी एन और M0 और SX. इस फर्दर डिवाइड सेकंड इज सेकंड बी सेकंड सी. सेकंड इज एनी टी N1M0 और एनी टी N1M0 S1. सेकंड बी एनी टी N0M0 S0 और एनी टी N0M0 S1 और सेकंड सी इज एनी टी N3M0 S0. स्टेज थर्ड एनी टी एनी एन M1 and SX. It's further divided three, third A, third B and third C. Third is any T, any N, any M1 S0, any T, any N, any M1 or S1. Third B is any T, any N, M0 S2 or any T, any N, any M1 or S2. Third C is any T, any N, M0 or S3 or S3. Then principle of treatments. Treatment should be aimed at one stage above the clinical stage. Seminoma is radio sensitive, so treat with radiotherapy. Non-seminal radio resistant, so best treat with surgery. Advanced disease or metastasis respond well to chemotherapy. Principle of treatment: radical inguinal orchidectomy is standard first line of treatment. Lymphatic spread is initially goes to retroperitoneal node. Early hematogenous spread is rare. Bulky retroperitoneal tumor or metastatic tumor initially downstage with chemotherapy. Principle of treatment is transscrotal biopsies to be condemned. The inguinal approach permit early control of the vascular lymphatic supply as well as and block removal of the testis with all its tunicas. Frozen section in case of the dilemma. Treatment of seminoma. Stage first, stage second B. For this, radical inguinal orchidectomy followed by radiotherapy to ipsilateral retroperitoneal and ipsilateral inguinal lymph node is done. In case of the stage second and stage third seminoma, radical inguinal orchidectomy is followed by chemotherapy. In treatment of non-seminoma, and stage first and stage second radical orchidectomy followed by retroperitoneal lymph node dissection is done. In stage second B, retroperitoneal lymph node dissection with possible adjuvant chemotherapy. And stage second C and stage third disease initially chemotherapy followed by surgery for residual disease. Then standard chemotherapy which is used for non-seminoma germ cell tumor is BEP regimen, which include bleomycin, etoposide and cisplatin. The side effect of bleomycin is pulmonary fibrosis. Etoposide cause myelosuppression, alopecia, mild renal insufficiency, secondary leukemia. Cisplatin on renal insufficiency, nausea, vomiting and neuropathy. Then prognosis. Stage first seminoma 99% prognosis, non-seminoma 95 to 99%. Stage second is 70 to 92% and non-seminoma 90%. Stage third seminoma is 80 to 85% and non-seminoma 70 to 80%. Conclusion is improve overall survival of testicular tumor due to better understanding of the disease, tumor markers and cisplatin-based chemotherapy. Current emphasis on the diminished overall mortality of various treatment modality. We are seeing extragonal seminoma. Thank you.